In the 1970s, our parents did things that today would get a knock on the door from Child Protective Services. And we turned out mostly fine. Let's begin with the car. There were no car seats, there were no seat belts, or if there were, nobody used them. You rode in the way back of the station wagon, facing traffic, waving at strangers, rolling around like laundry. And Mom's safety system? Her right arm flung across your chest at every stop sign. That was the airbag. Sunscreen? Never heard of her. You went outside at 8 a.m. and came back at dark the color of a catcher's mitt, and that was called a good summer. Speaking of dark, the one rule: be home when the street lights come on. No phone, no GPS. Your parents had no idea where you were for 10 hours, and they did not lose 1 minute of sleep over it. You drank from the garden hose. You ate dinner at the neighbor's house, and nobody called ahead. You rode your bike with no helmet, off a plywood ramp, over your friend, and the only medical treatment was your mother licking her thumb and wiping your face. If you misbehaved, any adult on the block was authorized to correct you, and then they'd tell your mother, and you'd get it again at home. Double jeopardy did not apply. You played with lawn darts, actual metal spears, for fun. You handled fireworks at age 7, and somehow, against all odds, here we all are. We didn't have safety. We had freedom, skinned knees, and a whole neighborhood raising us. And honestly, we wouldn't trade it. Follow for more of the childhood that somehow didn't kill us.